I wake up every morning at 7.
I wake up every morning at 7.
I turn off my alarm clock.
I turn off my alarm clock.
I wash my face in the bathroom.
I wash my face in the bathroom.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I take a shower before breakfast.
I take a shower before breakfast.
I dry my hair with a towel.
I dry my hair with a towel.
I put on my t-shirt and jeans.
I put on my t-shirt and jeans.
I make coffee in the kitchen.
I make coffee in the kitchen.
I drink my coffee at the table.
I drink my coffee at the table.
I eat breakfast every morning.
I eat breakfast every morning.
I read the news on my phone.
I read the news on my phone.
I pack my bag before I leave.
Pack my bag before I leave.
I put on my shoes at the door.
Put on my shoes at the door.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I wait for the bus outside.
I wait for the bus outside.
I arrive at the office on time.
I arrive at the office on time.
I sit down at my desk.
I sit down at my desk.
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
I check my emails in the morning.
I check my emails in the morning.
I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
I drink water during the day.
I drink water during the day.
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
Eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
I go to the cafe near my office.
Go to the cafe near my office.
I order a sandwich and a juice.
I order a sandwich and a juice.
I sit by the window and relax.
I sit by the window and relax.
I go back to work after lunch.
I go back to work after lunch.
I write notes in my notebook.
I write notes in my notebook.
I talk to my colleague about work.
I talk to my colleague about work.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I take the bus home.
I take the bus home.
I stop at the supermarket on the way.
I stop at the supermarket on the way.
I buy some vegetables and milk.
I buy some vegetables and milk.
I pay at the checkout counter.
Pay at the checkout counter.
I walk home from the supermarket.
I walk home from the supermarket.
I open the door and go inside.
I open the door and go inside.
I put my bag on the chair.
I put my bag on the chair.
I cook dinner in the kitchen.
I cook dinner in the kitchen.
I boil water for pasta.
I boil water for pasta.
I set the table for dinner.
I set the table for dinner.
I eat dinner at home.
Eat dinner at home.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I sit on the sofa and watch TV.
Sit on the sofa and watch TV.
I call my friend on the phone.
I call my friend on the phone.
I read a book before bed.
I read a book before bed.
I turn off the lights in the room.
I turn off the lights in the room.
I change into my pajamas.
I change into my pajamas.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I lie down in my bed.
I lie down in my bed.
I close my eyes and sleep.
I close my eyes and sleep.